guys! Welcome back to the Hodgepodge Lifestyle. So today is going to be a techie vlog. I'm going to be unboxing smart automated gadgets. And thank you to Hatsy Enterprise for sponsoring this video. They sent me these cool automated gadgets for your house. So for this instance, it's going to be for my office. I'm gonna turn my small office, as you can see. Yan, maliit lang siya. Into a smart office.
Wow!
They sent me 3 products. This one is V-Light color changing bulb. So it's a light bulb. And I'm currently using it right now. Kaya meron akong yellow lighting going on right here. And then they sent me the Wi-Fi door window sensor. Can you see that? So that's for your home security, your office security. And the smart Wi-Fi plug. So I've already installed a couple of them. That's the door or window sensor. So, pwede nyo ring ilagay sa bintana. But for my office, I can't put it sa window because it's not the sliding type. I think that would fit it more. And then, yung light is already there. Currently, it's on the warm light or warm yellow mode. So, the plug is also already here. I'm about to install it in a while. So, how to buy these gadgets? It's very easy. All you need to do is go to Lazada and purchase it there. So, madali lang. And then, the delivery time is very fast. So, normally, Lazada delivers 1 or 2 days. Nasa yun kung hindi naman galing abroad. I only had to download the Smart Life app, so it's very easy for anybody to get from Google Play. All these gadgets are compatible with Alexa and Google Home. So I downloaded si Google Home. First time for me to use actually such an app because I'm not really into techie stuff. Hindi ko masyadong forte yan. But I'm so excited that I have this all set up in my office. So, yun. So, if you're interested, you can buy from Hatsy Enterprise. And I will show you during this vlog on how it works. Okay, parang horror story. Currently, the light bulb is blinking. It's supposed to be like that when you're installing sa app. So, I've read the manual. Kahit wala akong syaga magbasa ng mga manuals. Kailangan confirm indicator rapidly blinking. And then, I have my Wi-Fi password. So, yun. Nakalagay 2.4G Wi-Fi are supported. So, confirm. And it's connecting. Hindi mo makita. Ayan yun. Okay. So, it's connecting. If you can see it. And now the light is steady. Then, press done. So, you can see a light bulb. Well, yeah, mas may light bulb doon. You can see that. White. You can choose the brightness. So, yan. Mas maliwanag na siya. And then, what else can you do? You can see that there's a color palette. Tama ba yung term? There's a color. So, you can choose. Uy, ayan. Wait. Kailangan natin adjust yung brightness. I think I need to switch off my ring light because hindi niya makikita. scene pa. Okay. Night scene. And then, reading. So, pag nagbabasa ka, kailangan gaturo yung ilaw. Tag-party, pula. Leisure is blue. Soft lighting is green. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. This is rainbow. Basically, it's rainbow. It changes colors. Look. Ang galing naman ito. Well, hindi naman ako ma-party, so... Well, not really that much. Ayun na, nag-green na siya. Nag-blue ulit. So, okay, party. Pwede ka na mag-disco sa office ko. Okay, shine. Shine. Oh my god, this is so fun. Shine is... It's blinking. Patay sindi. Gorgeous is... Oh wow. Look at that. I would recommend this for people who love smooth lighting. Nakakatuwa siya. It's very fun. And I would recommend it to people who are techies or gamers. You can use this. Lalo sa video. So, schedule. You can add a schedule. Okay, so I'm gonna try with the office light. Sa Google Home, how we can make it work. Google, close the light. And there you go. And then, let's try again. Google, open the light. Ooh, now it's open. Google, turn down the brightness. There you go. So, nag-dim na siya, no? And then, it alerts you, Google, whenever it opens and closes. So, hindi nga lang siya yung parang alarm na maingay, but it beeps on your phone. So, you would know. Especially, this room is very important kasi this is all where my gadgets are for work and for vlogging. So, maraming pwedeng mawala. And before, ito na yung nanakawan. So, try lang ninyong bumalik. Ngayong December. Kasi, nako, meron na ako nitong door detector. And I noticed na meron siyang timestamp. So, meron siyang timestamp sa gilid. May kita mo when siya naka-on, when siya naka-off. So, sensitive yung kanyang sensor, I must say. I think it's a good thing if you want security. Diba? So, according to the instruction, the blue light needs to be blinking rapidly, not twice per second. Currently, it's blinking na. So, I turned it on my phone. Then start scanning so I can find it. And let's see. So now it says device is added. So click done. Upgrade now, I guess. So update natin. Start update. I'll get back to you when this is done. So now you can see that it's color red. Well, that's supposed to be red. Sa camera, parang light lang siya. And then you can just plug anything that you need to plug. And then you can have it on schedule. Kasi sa app may nakalagay ng schedule, timer. And then, yun. So, I'm gonna hook this up. So, yun. Okay, so a short review for the Hatsy Enterprise gadgets. I think it's worth it. If you guys want to make your life a lot easier and you don't feel like hiring a person to do it because obviously that would cost you more, smart automated gadgets will make your life easier kasi nga they're automatic. And especially for me, what I like the most from what they send is the sensor because months na, so marami na namang nakawan. So that's going to help me track who's coming in and out of my office, especially with all these gadgets here for vlogging and for my full-time job. So mahirap na manakawan ulit. And is it expensive? I think it's worth it. It's affordable naman. So I would suggest that you guys check out Hatsy Enterprise on their Facebook page and on Lazada. So before I end this video, I'm gonna do some shout outs and to the staff of Ral's store sa Shady Foodarama. So it's a gadget store as well. Shout out to Jonathan Santos and Gian Ganado. So if you're watching this vlog, hello to you guys and thank you for assisting us. Nagpapa-shout out sila. So if you need some phone accessories, cell phone, you can check their stores as well. So yun. So yun lang yung vlog for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching as always. And if you want to see other techie stuff on my vlog, just comment down below. And hopefully, I'll have more content that's tech-related in the future. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and that notification bell below. I'm always going to release good content. So yun, thanks for watching guys. Bye! Hey guys! Nandito kami today na bumili kami ng phone. Si Kuya hanapin ninyo.
Jonathan Santos po.
Jonathan Santos, if you want to buy new cellphones, ito yung store nila. Ayan, very helpful sila kuya. So yun, maganda yung discount nila dito. Maganda yung customer service. So make sure to visit this at Shady Foodarama.